for joining us.
You got walls and a roof. Well,
Hoi An. Okay, so you can see this was flooded. Yeah, hold on. I'll just, you can see all the flooding down that road. You see, now that reminds me of Good Morning Vietnam. Now look above you. Is this really where you want to go for coffee? Look.
There will be more to come by the voice.
Are you sure that's where you want to go? Oh yeah, this is very, very like tourist central. No question about it. That looks very Japanese. Let's go across that way. Eh? Oh yeah. So this is some river, I don't know what it's called. But you can see how high the water is, gosh. I mean, look at this. Oh look, see the water going over the top there.
Yeah. Understand.
It's right up to the top.
You stood your ground if we didn't get on the boat.
I just don't feel safe.
I think we would have missed this.
Yeah. Sorry. No, this is better.
Yeah.
It's really. Do you want to walk up and have a quick look? I think we're in the way here. Foot sign. No, thank you. No, thank you. Wow, it's amazing what you see how much flooding can stuff a place up, eh?
Yeah.
All the dirt and shit, silt.
And you happen to see real soldiers.
Yeah, and they're here as well. You see, you're kind of limited all over, aren't you? No one's going there.
The first one, near here.
Oh, we can get up here a bit. I think that's doable. See, the genuine soldiers with the Vietnam hats. Look at them. Vietnam Army hats.
Real good soldiers.
Yeah, no, look at that. That's very cool with the hats on. Gosh. See how flooded it is up there, eh? Take all the debris in there, all the shit there from the flooding.
Oh yeah.
It's so interesting to see. Must be devastating for businesses, eh? You know, trying to keep business going. Thank you. Look at these people's homes over there. Those are people's homes, surely, are they? No, looks like bar. Bloody hell. And now there's another one coming tomorrow, right? In theory, that storm.
Maybe.
Typhoon. Wow. This. So it looks to the Navy and Army come together to clear up the aftermath. But according to the weather forecast, there's another typhoon heading in tomorrow. So, geez, it's quite. I mean, look, they're very what's the word is resilient. Just get on with it, sort it out, move along. I guess you live in this part of the world. That's how you have to live with it, right?
Yeah.
So it's right up to the banks here. It's just below the bank. But on that side, it's actually broken the bank, as you can see if you're looking across there. Wow. It is a unique experience to see that, actually. So we could have been on a basket boat. I like these little lanterns they put around there. What quaint, look at this. Gosh. Huh? Very cool. Oh look, they got adult sized seats there, Joe. Okay, so this looks very light. Let's go up this way.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, let's go that way. That looks a bit like that. That looks a bit different. More people, more bikes.
Let me see how far.
Gosh. So this, folks, is flooding. Wow. Gosh. Oh man, I am. You see the humidity. I bet the humidity's up again. 100% silk. Oh, they're different. No, they're different. There's cashmere. You can see cashmere scarves and then silk scarves. They're different. That's pretty cool, eh?
This is a nice coffee shop.
Do you want a coffee? Do you want a coffee?
Yeah. How about you?
Why not? Yeah, we haven't had one today.
You haven't had one. Right. It's a law beer.
I think we should. Hello.
Hello.
Let's have a look what you do. Oh, they do egg coffee, 69. Oh, only 69 dong, huh? Oh, yeah, that's the one you like, right?
Coconut ices. Yes.
Coconut ice cream coffee. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's have that
I
one.
want that one.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry, you want green coffee?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry, no green.
Oh, no.
Okay, without cream.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. Two
Two.
inside.
Good, good.
All right, cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. Did you have flooding here? Same. Water. Wow, man. Water? Here? Bloody hell.
And 2 days ago,
How long, how many days before?
2 days before.
2 days. Here.
1-6. How tall are you?
1-8.
The flooding come here
So-
1-6.
and just clean up and not everything clean.
We
about-
we do everything upstairs.
We take everything.
Yeah. Sometimes heavy, something heavy no do.
Yeah, you
Broken.
can't. That's unbelievable. Wow.
You cannot imagine you.
No, I can't imagine. You're right.
Must have worked very hard.
Yeah, I work very hard. But you know, one thing terrible again. They come one day.
Does it say tomorrow another one come?
They
No?
come out and we clean. And after we clean, they come
Again.
again and we clean again.
Oh,
We
wow.
working 12 hours for one day.
10 hours.
12.
12.
For clean.
Good Lord. I'm glad we're here to support them. Cool.
Very hard work. Take
Yeah,
your seat.
this is wonderful. Thank you very much. That's interesting. 1.6 meters of water in this cafe 2 days ago. If this was the UK, they'd be closed for bloody months. Absolute months. So this is a coconut iced coffee. So I'm going to try that. Let's see what it is. Alright, so here I go. Fantastic. Alright, I'm going to taste this and see what I think. Oh. Do you know what that's like? It's like having a coconut ice cream. It's superb. Feel good? It was. It was more than a coffee, that's for sure.
So you want to go up?
Up. What's the time, by the way? Feels later.
It's almost 4.
Yeah, feels about right, yeah. That's a full day, eh? That's nice as well, look at that. Look up behind you. Sea House, Herbalist Bar.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. That's unbelievable. That's a fucking million drop, like that. Oh, this is too touristy for me. You see, I don't feel that this is very authentic.
Yeah, it's not.
It's all just made up for.
But you can say afterwards, we survived Hoi An.
Yeah, it's not I love Da Nang, but I survived Hoi An. Now these things are very nice. Could it be that? Huh? Oh, this. Okay. Is it on the map? Correct. This one. Is that it?
Just a few meters from there.
Do you want to have a look?
Okay.
These doors, eh?
It's weird. No one watches this. No one is interested in this temple.
I know. It's just I have to say, I'm glad I came. I don't think I'd come back. It's not my kind of place at all. There's more. Yeah, there's nowhere.
Abandoned.
Where are the tourists now? This is amazing, isn't it? Lovely. Look at the madness over there. What, 20 meters away? It's so peaceful here.
Yeah.
Wow, it's always very grand. It's weird how you have such a sense of peace. Gosh. Wow. But why wouldn't you want to come in here? Strange. So he was flooded, he's right, but only on the river. And maybe the road that they were clearing is a way in, a different way in, potentially, I don't know.
Yeah, man. But he somehow insinuated that we were heading to take the boat to come inside.
Well, yeah, he did say that. Yeah. Maybe it was a misunderstanding. He was getting us a bit.
Take the boat to this.
Yeah. There's a walking, driving home. I've never seen them hoot so much in Da Nang because they listen there. Huh? Kang Hoi An, the bar. Yeah, how much for 95,000? There you go. Fucking hell. Very. Do you want me to take one of you standing here? Yeah. Maybe just here by the tree, Joe. Yeah. Again. Yeah, you can if you want. Yeah, I could just stop stuff.
Come on, boy. What is this?
A soy dog. Oh, it's ticket. Tickets to go on here as well.
No.
Yeah, I'm not paying. That's it. See, ticket control there.
Just across this bridge.
Yeah, it's like the fucking Billy Goat's Gruff. That's all right. We got what we wanted. You can take some stuff from here if you like. I'll take here. If you stand there, I'll take you. I'm just taking video, that's all. So this is ho, a very famous Vietnamese dish. It's basically a beef noodle soup, which looks stunning. And here we are, in the rain, in a corner store, and it's wonderful.